Good morning, teacher Jonathan. Today I talking about a beautiful place of America. It is Mexico. Mexico has a beautiful place. One of them are Acapulco, Cancun, Guadalajara. But the principal place I will visit is Mexico DF. The main reason for the going to Mexico City is able to go to visit Basilica de Guadalupe. In the Basilica de Guadalupe had the image of the Virgin there appears in Tepeyac. In this moment I present the budget of the trip. I consider to go with my wife and my son, and here's the budgets for the trip. Air ticket with Dhaka or another airline is the sale is 1,125. Then here to can see the 115 is the West House in, is cheap uh, compared to the hotel. Then was the 3 times for 6 days or 1,420 for the food, and then for the entertainment is 1,500. Present for the family or friends and like 100. Then is the second action is very important. Is a sensitive thing to carry in your travel suite. The principle is appropriate clothing. Here you can see that shirt, t-shirt, shorts, pants, tennis, and sunglasses. Yeah, you can use because it's appropriate to work, the climate. Then you can get is electronic equipment. One of them was the camera and the cell phone. And this moment, actually, you can use the call, video call, and call, chat, and is that you get a mini computer and can you connect a Wi-Fi in restaurant or place have a Wi-Fi free. Then the portable charge and the when have connect the electricity and then use the portal. Then it is important the basic prevention kit is have amazing because you can have allergies and the medicine you can prescription of the diet. Something is people have a diabetes or another sick. Then it's important the money and credit cards. Do and it's important to pay for the you can sell or when you get out or for the food. And Mexico have a different uh, transport. One of them is very cheap. Is the metro. Is the in the picture of the color orange, and then is in short times or you can move very fast. And another is the bus, but depends on you can go short distance is the bus. The metro is all country, all the city. Only you can change in the states and get another. Then have problem with the taxi. In Mexico have two color. This one is the cheap, and the color green is the most expensive. And another is one place very beautiful. You can appreciate the customers or the people. Uh, the food is Xochimilco. There, the people using the is the fourth means of the transport, and then use to translate the food, the self or people. And here I present the itinerary of for the 6 days. Here you can see here that for the first days the principal place to visit is the Basilica. Then you can use the turibus. You can use it for you can see where is the locate or the place or the direction. Sorry, the address for the place you can visit. And one of the beautiful the place is the Was Museum. There you have all people of the world have Papa, have people present of movies, and Nicolas Cage, uh, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Sylvester Stallone, and the woman the wife of Tom Cruise. I don't remember. I have the names in my mouth, but I don't remember. And Well, I continue. Then one was another place visit is Coyoacán, Xochimilco, Chapultepec Sun and Forest, and the Sun have different animals of the world. Uh, have a zebra and lions, and I don't remember the list of animals. And Chapultepec Forest is very interesting. You can walk long distances and appreciate the plains, animals, and there are many river and lake. Then another place to visit is Museum Lake of in Mexico. He demonstrated the light have seven colors with a earring. Then another place to visit is the pyramid of the Teotihuacan. It is very interesting because it have a tradition. You can walk on this, the place of the pyramid. Then you can see traditional Aztec. This time in Mexico have indigenous peoples. Yes, and actually in different places of the country. Then we take a time to prepare the present of family and buy in the supermarket or market between of Basilica Guadalupe have a place to can serve presents is the here I present my travel in Mexico. I think I wait do you like and thank you for your time and I can see you in the next class. Yeah,